We're gonna go to the beach now. Guys, we're obsessed with Justin Bieber. Okay. They want us to drive through the thick sand. Stop! She's coming!
One ice cream shop.
Welcome back. My dad literally woke us up this morning at 5:45, well me, and he was banging, making tea and coffee, like opening and closing the doors, like washing the laundry, and I was like, are you serious right now? And he woke us all up, and then to say sorry, he bought us ice cream. That is his love language. We're gonna go to the beach now. Whoa. All I do is wait around and hate myself. Oh, I hate the way I need to be loved by you. It looks nice here. We're off to the beach now.
Ahmad, kom!
We're going to the beach.
But we do have another
Thank you.
female.
My dad got stuck in the garage. Look at them opening up for him at the back. There he is! Guys, we're obsessed with Justin Bieber. We're gonna listen to him the whole way. Love by you. This shit, I could change myself. They want us to drive through the thick sand, and we don't have a 4x4 car. I don't like where this is going, but I'll keep you updated. Stop! We are going.
Dear Lord, help us. Thank you, dear Lord.
What are you guys doing to Erin? She's coming! Finished. We are in the mall right now. now buying some things. I'm with my mother. Good morning everyone, I hope you are all doing well. I filmed a clip this morning saying good morning, but I looked really rough, so I'll spare you seeing that. We packed up the house, we cleaned up everything, we ate breakfast, we went to the mall, we did all of those things because we're leaving back to Windhoek in like 30 minutes or so. It's gonna be like a 3-4 hour drive, but we're going home today. It's Sunday and I'm flying back to Stellenbosch on Tuesday, and school for my siblings start on Tuesday as well. So we are leaving today, and when we get back home we have to sort out everything. Like I need to go shopping and like buy extra things I need to take with. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well and that you're enjoying the video so far. I know it's a bit sporadic and I'm not even talking much because I'm shy, okay? We have like my mom them's friends are on holiday with us, so I don't want to be like vlogging around them. That's really weird, but like it is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna pack up the car and then we are gonna go. Sorry if you can hear people. We are gonna leave and let's go. Packing up the car.
Can I have a black one?
Ooh, yeah, you can. The weather is so lovely. It's so foggy, kind of cold. Look at our little sign. Where are we?
One ice cream shop.
What flavor did you get? Coffee. You?
Stracciatella and cheesecake.
I got caramel popcorn and speculatius. Speculoos or whatever it's called. So, what flavor did you get?
Unicorn.
Woo! He bit me on my arm. Cooper. No. He's so excited. Are you? Oh, are you so excited? We won't leave you like that again, eh, Cooper? That was too long. Okay, now we need to unpack. We made it home safely. Thank the Lord. So tired right now. So we settled down now and I put some clothes in the laundry and stuff like that. Now I'm just sitting down, gonna edit a vlog for you guys. Don't know when that's gonna go up, but I still need to find like a consistent posting schedule. I need to post my first video, so hopefully when this is up, that one will be up. Hopefully this one will be up too. Please pray for me. It's really good to be home. It was such a nice break going to Tweefontein and to Swakop. It was so refreshing, and I'm eating a date. It was really something that I needed. So when I go back to Stellenbosch now, I'm gonna feel so refreshed, hopefully. I feel it in my soul. I'm gonna be refreshed and it's gonna be a good time. But then I'm coming back in July again because that's when our exams finish. I'm just gonna vlog the rest of today. I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We're just gonna be chilling basically. I'm gonna be doing some work and just sorting out all of my things, probably making some lists of things that I still need to buy. I'll catch you guys later for whatever I do.